You probably noticed that trademarks in the wild often have a symbol next to them, usually to the right. And if you've really been paying attention, then you notice that there are a few different symbols: TM, SM, and an R inside of a circle. But you may be wondering, why are these symbols used and what's the difference between them? Well, let's get into it. My name is John Halski. I'm a trademark attorney at Ryan Swanson in Cleveland, and this is Candid Remarks. If there's one defining characteristic of a trademark, it's that it stands out. In many ways, the strength of a trademark is in direct proportion to how easily and how widely it's recognized by consumers as a trademark. There are any number of ways a trademark can stand out, visually speaking, that is. A trademark may appear in all caps, in bold, italicized, or underlined, or in stylized font or in the form of a logo. All of these methods can help to draw consumers' eyes to your brand, but there's one other important way that you can identify your trademark, and that's where trademark symbols come in. Let's take them one by one, because there are some important distinctions among them. First, there's the most versatile of the lot, TM. Naturally enough, this symbol stands for trademark, and it can be used after any trademark, whether the mark is registered or not. Adding the TM symbol after something, whether that something is a word, a phrase, a logo, anything at all really, indicates that you claim that that thing is your trademark. It serves as a general notice to the public, including your target customers as well as potential infringers, that you are claiming trademark rights, even if you haven't, or perhaps haven't yet, obtained a registration. The SM symbol is a variation on the TM symbol. It stands for service mark, meaning that the symbol designates trademarks used specifically with services as opposed to goods. So for example, the Ryan Swanson trademark is technically a service mark since it's used in connection with providing legal services, in addition to educational videos such as this. Since most people understand the term trademark to encompass both goods and services, the SM symbol is used less often than the TM symbol. That leaves the coveted Circle R symbol. This symbol is reserved exclusively for trademarks that are federally registered with the United States Patent and Trademark Office. The Circle R sends a powerful message to those who know. A registered trademark enjoys numerous legal benefits and protections, including the potential for damages in an infringement action that are only available to registered marks. On the flip side, the misuse of the Circle R symbol with an unregistered mark can constitute fraud and should be avoided at all costs. Now, brand owners sometimes find these symbols to be unattractive or cumbersome to include, and in that case you can achieve the same effect by including a proper trademark attribution statement somewhere on your products and promotional materials, such as this. The Ryan Swanson logo is a registered trademark of Ryan Swanson in Cleveland PLLC, all rights reserved. Bottom line, highlighting your trademarks with the appropriate trademark symbol or attribution statement is a best practice. It can help you to strengthen your trademark rights, put the public on notice, and even aid you in a legal dispute. One final note, you may be wondering about that other symbol you often see on products and materials, the Circle C symbol. Well, that symbol refers to copyright, and that's a subject for another video. Until then, this has been Candid Remarks, a video series produced by Ryan Swanson in Cleveland PLLC. Candid Remarks is the trademark of Ryan Swanson. This video is intended for educational purposes only, and nothing in this video is intended as legal advice. For more information on the topics discussed in this video or other trademark issues, visit ryanswansonlaw.com.